congratulations on your pistol purchase. Whether it's your first or your fifth, congratulations. You taking the initiative to be able to protect yourself, your family, and others in your community in case that idiot decides to come into the mall, the school, the church, the military base, whatever it might be, and start mass shooting. You, my friend, now have taken that next step to being able to protect yourself. Now you got to take the next step and get the training and the skills. And I'm sure you know this, that less than 10% of gun owners have any training, have any formal training. But guess what? In that 10%, it's only safety handling training. Has nothing to do with loading, shooting, reloading, malfunctions, getting behind cover, concealment, moving with the weapon system. You need to know that. Okay, so we are providing you an opportunity to do that. But first things first, you need to get the safety training, and we're giving that to you for free. So you're gonna get all the essentials you're gonna need. So you're taking your weapon home now, or if you're watching this in your car after you bought your weapon system, because you got an opportunity to get this training, or whether you're at home, you're gonna get the steps to take your gun out of the box safely, to learn the safety rules of a pistol, and then we will continue to build from there. How to safely load and unload your weapon system. How to then properly grip your weapon system. Then you're gonna have an opportunity to take your training in an online fashion, a very robust platform where you are gonna accelerate your learning to a degree not available yet until now via an online platform. So again, congratulations. Go ahead and log in, get this free training, see what we have to offer, and then we're gonna give you, you're gonna have an opportunity to really take your training to that next essential level. And now you're not gonna be in that low 10%, you're gonna be in that percentile that knows with confidence that you're gonna be able to utilize your weapon, your firearm, your pistol in a safe manner, and if you have to, you can engage that threat. We'll see you on the inside.